What's going on, folks? Alright, I just finished up my package opening video from BLP60. We're gonna see if I can get into one of the locks that he sent. I didn't want my opening video to be too long, so I figure I'll go and do that after I do my package opening. All I've done was clean up just it, and that was it. So we have got, I'm gonna pick one from BLP60, pinned by him. We're gonna pick this one. This is Lefty, pinned by BLP60 on, looks like 110 of 2018. Let's see. There we are. Alright, camera's focusing a little better. And just in case you missed it, there's the bidding for it. It is a Wiser key. I know y'all are probably like, shut your trap, just pick it. And that's where I'm going. So, we will have to adjust the camera. Alright, you guys are either gonna have to tell me improvements or whatever in the comments below on the camera angle for picking. You guys can either cuss me or you can, tell me improvements or just tell me that it sucks. Alright, so first we're going to try to attack it with an 18,000 deforced diamond Peterson and a West Coast Picks homemade tension wrench. And since it's lefty and only goes to the left, let's pick it counterclockwise. Yeah, I want something shorter. We're just going to go with the number 1 hook from Peterson. Seems to be my favorite from them. Got a little bit out of 1. Now let's reset. A little bit out of 5. 4, 3, 2 is soft. Got a little click out of 1. Back to the back again. Nothing out of 5. 4. Those 2. I don't like that. Let's see here. Wow, all my tension wrenches are loose. That's my thickest one I got. Alright. Well, that was 4. That is 2 I'm on. A little click out of 2. Alright, we're gonna have to switch to something deeper for number 5. Okay, got a little bit out of 5. 4 soft, 3 soft. Oh, got a little out of 2 and some movement. Got a little counter, I believe, on 1. I can't keep on the tip of the pin. Keep sliding off, so we're gonna go with a 23 thousandths. No, don't want to give it up. Yeah, I think 2 I overset. We're going to reset. Yeah, and I got my hands all in the way. So the camera angle's not helping at all. Alright. A small click, I believe, out of 2. Oh, wow. That one took some force to get it set. Makes me wonder if I overset. Bet I did. Nope. False set. I'm just gonna leave number 1 alone. It's taking my false set away. Got a good click out of 5. Still wanting more. And I've lost my false set. Feels like 3, 2, 1 gave me a little click. Feels like 5 again. Bronx, you make a good lock. This one is putting up a really good fight. I have to make me a thicker tension wrench for these. I don't get a whole lot of wisers. There we are. Let's see. Wow, this is turning into a long video. It's a little bit better. I know it says left, but we're gonna try it right just to see. There's that false set again. I lost it. Let's see. Try using one of the picks that Bronx sent me. This one's got me all quiet. Gotta actually focus on it. Alright, let's switch back. See what I can find. Got a really good deep false set, and it's open. Just about to give up on it. Set that up out of the way. Keep that in frame. And I've got all of my trays full. Let's take those off and set that up there. Let's empty this one off real quick. Yep, I don't need anything on that, so we'll dump that onto the mat. Not the best place for it, but it's not going anywhere. Let's bring you guys in a little bit. Scoot you back. Let's see if I can keep from locking this up. Alrighty. Nope, that spring looks like it doesn't want to come out. And since I've got no clue what's in there, and I didn't make it, let's grab a good shim. And that's not a good shim. Here we are. Grab a good shim from my normal pinning tray. And we're gonna shim it. It'll go in. Alright, we're gonna hope for the best there because that shim, oh, wait, maybe. There we are. I hate picking other people's challenge locks and not being able to get a shim in them. Never know what's in them. Alright. Got some counter milling and some threads. Someone had fun with a tap. Come on. Focus. Oh, the battery's going dead on it, so I doubt it's going to focus properly. There we are. All the pins are in and working. So, let's dump it out and see what we've got. Number 1 is a serrated. Number 2 is a spool. Number 3 is a serrated. Number 4 is another serrated, and number 5 is a spool. And then for the core, got a little bit of undercutting in 1. And then heavy undercutting in number 2. And then threads in 3, 4, and 5. And then let's see. Grab the pinning tweezer, the actual pinning tweezers that I got from Ben Pickens giveaway. That was a pretty fun giveaway. Let's put a little, let's put a little scratch on the front. That way I know which side is which. And let's see what we got up top. Number 1 is a nicely serrated. And a stubborn spring. Number 2 is another serrated. And another stubborn spring at that. Let's see, let's grab Old Faithful for tweezers. Nope, those are not wanting to come out. Alright, we're just going to skip the springs. That one came out just like that. Nice little T-pin. Looks like a Christmas tree pin. Alright, we'll go around to the back. Another very nice, it's a serrated T-pin, or Christmas tree almost. And then another very nicely serrated. Let's see, let's take a look at that one. Yeah, very heavily serrated. So, stupid. Slid them too close together. You can see them. You can tell them apart. All right. And he's not been in the top at all because all the original plugs are still in it. And I'm at 20 minutes and 14% battery left. So let's show off these pins real quick. That way I can shut this off and get it charged up for the next video. Alright, there's all the pins. Very nice work on the pins. Love the repurposed key pins for some of the drivers. Then seen a couple people doing it like this too. There you go, you can get an idea of the reduced diameters of some of them. Alright folks, on that note, I'm out. Thank you BLP60 for the lock. Appreciate you pinning it up, sending it out for everyone. If you haven't heard of him, check him out, subscribe to him. Let's get him some more followers. I know he's got a lot already. Let's get him some more. On that note, I am out, and I will catch y'all another time. See ya.